If the color used in the video is different from the material package you received, please refer to the material package you received. Our video is only for clearly demonstrating specific stitches. Today, we will crochet a hat. Below is a detailed explanation of the crocheting process. We will first crochet the hat using off-white yarn, crocheting with 2 yarns together. Start by working into a chain. Let me demonstrate the method for working into a chain. Hold the yarn tail and wrap the yarn around your pinky finger once, then loop it over your index finger. Pinch the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Place the hook underneath the yarn. Wrap the yarn around the hook. Pinch the crossed section of the yarn with your thumb and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. This completes the basic chain. Next, start crocheting chain stitches. Crochet a total of 48 chain stitches. Here is how you do it. Wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through the loop on the hook. That completes 1 chain stitch. Continue with the second and third chain stitches. Please complete the rest on your own. After completing 48 chain stitches, begin crocheting into the back ridge of the chain from the third chain from the hook. A complete chain stitch is shaped like a V. Flip to the back side, and you will see a raised ridge. This ridge is the back ridge of the chain. Skip the first 2 back ridges and begin crocheting into the third back ridge. Crochet 46 half double crochet stitches in total. Let me demonstrate how to crochet a half double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the hook, insert the hook into the back ridge. Pull the yarn through, leaving 3 loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn around the hook again, and pull it through all 3 loops at once. This completes 1 half double crochet stitch. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch of the round. Please note that for each subsequent round, always place a stitch marker in the first stitch. This will not be repeated further in the explanation. Let me demonstrate one more stitch. Please complete the rest on your own. This completes the first round of the project. Next, we will crochet from round 2 to round 52. Rounds 2 to 52 are all made up of 46 half double crochet stitches worked into the back loops only, without increasing or decreasing stitches. Each round ends with 46 stitches. Let me demonstrate. First, turn the work. Then crochet 2 chain stitches. And continue crocheting 46 half double crochet stitches into the back loops only. A complete stitch consists of a V shape, and the back loop refers to the loop closer to the inside, which is the one farther away from you. Work the first half double crochet stitch into the back loop. Then the second half double crochet stitch. And please complete the rest on your own. Remove the stitch marker and crochet the last half double crochet stitch in the marked spot. This completes the round. For rounds 3 to 52, follow the same method as this round. Please complete the rest on your own. At this point, rounds 2 to 52 are complete. Leave a 20-inch yarn tail and fasten off. Sew the last round to the first round. Matching each stitch one by one. Sew continuously backward until the seam is complete. Once sewn, knot and secure the ends of the yarn. And trim any excess. Next, take another yarn and pick up stitches along one side of the hat to close the opening. Pick up all the stitches along the edge of the circle. Please complete the rest on your own. Once all the stitches are picked up, pull the yarn tightly to close the opening. Knot and secure it. Then use the excess yarn to sew back and forth through the center a few times for reinforcement. Knot and secure the yarn. Then trim any excess. Adjust the shape of the hat. And the hat is now complete. Next, we will assemble the hat. First, attach the pom-pom. Sew the pom-pom to the top of the closed end of the hat. Pass the yarn through the elastic band at the base of the pom-pom and sew to secure it. Once finished, knot and secure the yarn. And trim any excess. The pom-pom assembly is now complete. Then, fold up the bottom edge of the hat. Sew the leather tag to the edge of the hat, or any position you prefer. Separate 2 strands from the 4-strand yarn and use them to sew. Once finished, knot and secure the yarn. And trim any excess. The leather tag is now attached, and the entire hat is complete.